Social media is lying to you about money every single day, and it's making you feel broke even when you're not. You open your phone, someone's in Bali, someone just bought a new car, someone's showing off their apartment. Everyone looks like they're winning. Then you look at your own life, your apartment, your car, your savings account, and you feel like you're falling behind. But here's what you're not seeing. Social media is a highlight reel. It's curated, filtered, designed to make you feel something, usually envy. That car might be leased. That apartment might be 1 month's rent away from disaster. Those vacations might be going straight onto a credit card with 24% interest. You're comparing your reality to someone else's performance, and that comparison is poison. It makes you spend money you don't have to impress people you don't know. It makes your own progress feel worthless. It keeps you chasing a finish line that doesn't exist. Every time you buy something because someone online made you feel behind, you're playing their game. And you'll never win because the rules keep changing. Here's the truth. You have no idea what anyone's finances actually look like. Not your friends, not influencers, not that person from high school who seems to have it all. The only numbers you can know are yours. The only journey you can control is yours. The Finance Reset Toolkit brings you back to reality. Your income, your expenses, your goals, your progress, not someone else's illusion. When you focus on your own numbers, the noise fades. You stop chasing, you start building your path, your pace. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop comparing yourself to a lie. Start building something real. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.